we doing today, Rachel?
We're gonna go fling ourselves out of a plane.
Yes,
at
we
13,000
are. 13,500 feet.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yourself.
500 an additional.
More height, more fun. That's how it goes.
Yay!
Yeah, you feeling good about this, go?
I feel great.
Awesome.
I'm excited.
Who are you here with today?
My friend Ellen.
What's up, Ellen? Awesome. Who's gonna scream louder, you think? She threw herself under the bus. I love it.
I mean, I didn't want to throw her under the bus.
There was a pause.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's all
A little
right.
pause.
You feeling good about this?
Feeling excited.
All right. Anything you want to say to your friends and family before we go?
I love you guys, and I'll see you back down, I guess.
Safe sound on the ground. I love it. High five to that girl. Have a lot of fun, and I'll see you out there.
Thank you.
Up, up, up! Woo! All right. Yes.
Oh, that was so exciting.
Welcome back to Planet Earth. What do you think?
It's fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You are unhooked, free to stand up.
Let me help you out.
Let's get that contact back in place soon.
Oh yeah, here you go. You got it?
Yeah.
There you go. Come on up. Nice job, girl.
Awesome.
Way to go. Let me get a picture of you. Look, this guy just saved your life, and I think it's worth a photo. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Thanks,
Thank
Skydive
you.
DeLand.